As a culinary professional, familiar with GMP. And GMP and CGMP. Meron pang isa since we're already talking about ASEAN integration, yung Malaysia is also very aggressive competitor. Kasi ang Malaysia, since it's a Muslim country, it will be, when they come in, Malaysia comes in, it will be very difficult for us to penetrate the Muslim countries. Kasi nandiyan na yung Malaysia. Ang Malaysia kasi, being Muslim country, they know the requirements of Muslim countries. And one of them is the halal certification. Have you heard of the halal? Kayo ba nag-internship kayo? Meron kayong training with halal? Training with halal. Maybe in the future, dapat sa internship nyo kasama training with halal. Especially now that ASEAN integration is coming. Dapat you should be ready with halal training. Ang halal kasi hindi lang yung baboy, walang baboy sa food. Pati pag-prepare ng food kasama sa halal. Dapat yung gamit should not be touched by the pig's blood. So kung kunyari, pinakahaliwan sa pork, hindi yung pag-apat, hindi yun sa pag-serve ng halal. Yes,
seminar.
meron ba kayo lang sa halal? Good. What about the others? Were you trained under halal? And there is an ongoing trend that even if you are not a Muslim country, you'll be required to get halal certification. Okay? Meron niya yung trend na sinasabi na even if there is an ongoing trend ngayon, that even if you're not going to serve food to a Muslim country, you should still be certified as halal. Why? Because when you're halal certified, that means to say your product or your ingredients are natural and therefore healthy. Parang pag tinatakan kasi kayo ng halal, it means to say your product is healthy or organic or natural or healthy. Okay? So may trend na gano'n, no? May trend na ngayon na kahit hindi Muslim, hinahanapan na rin kayo ng halal certification. Kasi pag halal certified kayo, that means to say your product is healthy. Okay, handling sanitation under GMP. So may training na yun. Tapos, ang next is quality. Quality management. Like, halal is one. Halal training. Lalo ngayon, kasi ang dami natin Muslim countries na kalapit sa Malaysia, Brunei, they are all Muslim countries. Okay? They are all Muslim. And then what else? Thailand is Buddhist Thailand. Right? Buddhist and Thailand. So pag Buddhist, walang meat. Right? Vegetarian. Okay? So dapat ganun ang tingin nyo with the ASEAN country. O may Muslim no pork, diba? Halal certified. And then may Thailand Buddhist, no pork dito, no meat, kasi Cambodia. Cambodia is also Buddhist. What else? Ano ba? Singapore. Singapore is a diverse culture, di ba? May Tamil, Chinese, may Singapore. Halo-halo sa Singapore, sagot na yun. Vietnam. Vietnam is also Buddhist. So dapat, tingnan nyo, vegetarian, diba? Vegetarian, or vegan. Ito kasi yan eh. Alam mo yung ng vegetarians o vegan? Vegetarian is they don't eat meat for health reasons. Okay? Vegan because of the animal welfare. But the diet is the same. All veggies. All veggies. The same diet, magkaiba. Magkapareho lang yung diet. Magkaiba lang yung reason for eating vegetables. Okay? Yung reason lang yung pinagkaiba. So if you're a vegetarian, you eat vegetables for health reasons. When you are vegan, you eat vegetables because of the animal welfare. Okay? Because of the animal welfare. Okay? Okay, so what else? So that ends my presentation for food service. Meron tayo
Sir, time check.
Ano ba kayo nag-enjoy?
Sir, sweet na lang dyan.
Example of food service, that is one food manufacturing. Sunlight Foods Company. So the first one was Manila Catering. Service yun. This one, food manufacturing, Sunlight Foods Company. Okay. So we'll just discuss this faster na lang. No? So Sunlight Foods Corporation established December 2000. Okay. So what does it do? What does it do nila? This. Okay. Fruit processors sila. Okay? Operating in the south of Manila. Okay? Food processor. So these are their competitors. Fruit preserves. They are processing preserves. So can you give me an example of fruit preserve? Ube. Ube or malaya. Example of fruit preserve. Nata de coco. Makapuno. Ako. So they are the fruit preserves. Okay? So these are the products that they are manufacturing. Okay? Actually, your profession, as a culinary profession, makakala nyo lang, your profession, your work, will just be the food service. But actually, there is also an opportunity in the food manufacturing. Okay? I have wala po ano tawag sa hindi ko siya friend, hindi ko siya relative. But he is the boyfriend of my sister-in-law. Okay? Boyfriend of my sister-in-law.
Distant relative.
The relative is also not a friend. No? So boyfriend of my sister-in-law. So he was also trained like you in culinary arts, no? Have you heard of the global ba? Culinary school, okay? So he's not working in a company or in a restaurant or in a whatever, but he has his own business. Ang business niya is they sell ingredients for those who are studying like you. Okay? Di ba kayo, kunyari, kailangan nyo ng dough, kailangan nyo ng flour, kailangan nyo ng mga star na pag-decorate ng cake nyo, di ba? Para hindi na kayo gagawa nun, para hindi na kayo gagawa nun, lagi na lang kayo nilagay, di ba? Kasi gagawa po ba kayo ng mga star kung gano'n sa cake nyo? Meron na siya ganyan. Pangalan. Yung star nila kasi, no, it's not Las Piñas. Paranaque. Baker Central. So anyway, I mentioned this because it's also an opportunity when you graduate. So you would like to search Baker Central on Facebook. Okay? Nakikita niyo yung mga ingredients. Okay? So, I mentioned this because it could also be your opportunity. You may also supply baking goods, ingredients, baking supplies, those who are studying culinary arts. Okay? Here. So these are the products. So this is the factory, the plant. You notice, no, that it's just small backyard business, small business.
Sir, saan po yan?
South Manila, maybe in Laguna. South of Manila. Marikina pala to. It's just a home-based business. Take a look at the sheets. Konti lang yung workers nila. So, ito sila nag-start now. Ito sila. They now have their own building. From The Walking Dead. Okay, so here are the customers, no? Sunlight, Gardenia, Chowking, Red Ribbon, Unilever, Right. Yung Chowking, kung halo-halo nila, sa kanilang ipuway, tubig, etc. Sila nagsusupply doon. Kaya kung kumain kayo ng halo-halo ng Chowking, nila yung